The Infinix Note 50s isn't just cheap, it's surprisingly smart. At just around €170, it packs in a 144Hz AMOLED display, a Dimensity 7300 chip, and even JBL-tuned stereo speakers. And get this, it comes with a scented back panel and an RGB notification light. Yeah, seriously, let's break it all down. This phone isn't your usual budget device. It's thin and light, just 7.6 millimeters thick, and weighs only 180 grams. Easy to hold, easy to pocket. But the real surprise? The back panel has scent micro-encapsulation technology that releases a mild fragrance for up to 6 months. It's also IP64 rated, which means it's safe from dust and water splashes, and built to MIL STD 810H standards. Good enough for daily rough use, but don't treat it like a rugged phone. You're getting a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen here, with support for 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1300 nits brightness. That means buttery smooth scrolling, great color contrast, and good visibility outdoors. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass 5, so it won't scratch easily. And that RGB ring light on the back? It glows for notifications, calls, and charging. Subtle touch, but really cool. At this price, the Dimensity 7300 Ultimate chip is impressive. You get 8GB RAM with either 128GB or 256GB storage, and it runs on Android 15 with XOS 15 on top. Apps open fast, multitasking is smooth, and games like Free Fire or Asphalt 9 run without stutter. Just remember, no memory card slot, so choose your storage wisely. The Note 50s packs a 5500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day, even with gaming or heavy use. It charges at 45 watts, getting to 100% in about an hour. There's also bypass charging, so you can game while charging without heating up the battery. And if needed, you can even use it for reverse wired charging to juice up other devices. You don't get a headphone jack, but the audio setup here is no joke. It has stereo speakers tuned by JBL and supports high-res 24-bit 192 kHz audio. Whether you're watching YouTube, gaming, or just vibing to music, sound is crisp and clear. The main camera setup gives you a 64-megapixel primary sensor with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Shots are decent in good lighting, and you can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, not common in this price range. The front camera is 13 megapixels, and yes, it can also shoot 4K video. That's rare in budget phones. Fingerprint, under-display scanner. Connectivity, you've got Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and even infrared remote support. Handy for controlling TVs or ACs. Only thing missing is NFC, and the radio is not confirmed. But everything else feels complete. The Infinix Note 50 proves that budget phones don't have to be boring. It looks good, sounds great, and lasts long, without costing a fortune. For a phone that costs around €170, the Infinix Note 50s punches well above its price. It's not trying to beat flagships, but for casual users, students, or anyone who wants a stylish phone with solid performance. This one checks a lot of boxes. And yes, it smells kinda nice too. Would you try a phone that smells good? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful.